Optimum Nutrition BCAA 1000 Caps Review. Description: Branched-chain amino acids. Dietary supplement. True strength. The true strength of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. These 1000 mg capsules help support muscle recovery and protein synthesis. Suggested use: consume 2 BCAA 1000 capsules between meals, 30 to 45 minutes before workouts, and/or immediately after workouts. Intended for use in healthy adults and as part of a healthy balanced diet and exercise program. Other ingredients: gelatin, microcrystalline cellulose, magnesium stearate. Warnings: consult your physician before using this product if you are taking any medications or are under a physician's care for a medical condition. Not for use by those under the age of 18 or women that are pregnant, trying to get pregnant, or nursing. Store in a cool, dry place. Contents sold by weight, not volume. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.